We are actually doing damage assessment using aerial imagery and street level imagery, using different cameras for both types. For the aerial imagery, we are using drones and taking 360-degree panoramic images. Similarly, for the street level imagery, we're using cameras on the top of a vehicle as we drive. So with that imagery, we come back, we process it, we're able to upload that to different platforms and provide that to the county officials and to the public so that they can see how much damage has been done to the community. Once the SES network was up, it was very fast. It felt just like enterprise-grade internet connection at any fiber-based terrestrial network. When you look at geo-based satellite networks, there's inherently additional latency and you don't have the same bandwidth. Using the MEO solution, obviously lower latency and higher bandwidth, and it was a notable difference.